put them together, please, for the gifted writer, Giovanna Fletcher. Good morning to you. Welcome to our humble little show. Now, after penning 4 best-selling novels, can I call them chick lit?
I would say yes.
Okay,
Some people say
okay.
no.
Some people are quite touchy about
go
it.
for it. I would say yes.
Including Billy and Me, the rags to riches tale of a waitress who falls for a film star. The woman, otherwise known as McFly singer Tom Fletcher's better half, has moved into non-fiction with it's kind of bittersweet account of her life to date. It's called A Happy Mum, Happy Baby, My Adventures in Motherhood. And I must admit, it caught me off guard because it doesn't start in a very happy place, does it?
No. And yeah, it starts with me saying I have PCOS. So I've always known that I wanted to be a mum, but I thought I was going to be like Maria in The Sound of Music, you know, making dresses out of curtains and the Oxo mum, you know, just that kind of like really homely mum. And I was always maternal away from my friends. And then, I came off the pill, started getting hairy, spotty, put on weight. And so I went to the doctor, had some tests and found out that I had PCOS. It got put
this
on
is polycystic ovary.
Yes.
Syndrome.
But all I got at the time was a print off from the internet with all of the facts and figures, and then the headline was fertility. And I asked her about it, the doctor. She said, "Oh, don't worry about that. You're not there yet," because it was before I got married and everything. And I was like, "Okay, well, it is still worrying because I have this dream of my life and what it's going to be, and this might not happen." But I did get pregnant. So I went on metformin and got pregnant quite quickly, and I just thought that it was too easy. After years of thinking that it wasn't going to happen, it just happened, and I just thought that was too easy, and it was. I sadly miscarried my first pregnancy, but then went on to have Buzz and now Buddy. And also, I think with that miscarriage...
If there's a third, will it also begin with B?
I don't know. I mean, I don't know how many other great B names there are. It's just that thing that happens, isn't it? You kind of go, oh, we've got
Bunny,
2 Bs.
Bobby,
Bino.
Bobby,
Bino.
BB.
My mum was like, Button. Button's a lovely name.
Yeah.
But yeah, and Buzz for me will always be my silver lining because I think having a miscarriage, you kind of think it's not going to happen. And actually, if that hadn't have happened, then I wouldn't have Buzz. But I wrote the book not really knowing what to include, what not to include, because it's all about my motherhood journey. People hate the word journey, but I went on a journey. So I wrote it, first of all. I didn't limit myself. I didn't put these barriers up. I just thought, I'll get it all down. I don't have to send it off. I can edit it before I send it in. And I just thought, actually, it's a huge part of it. And it has made me the mum I am today. It has made me more accepting of my body. You know, I've had 2 children. It's changed. But it's brought me these 2 kids, and actually it's amazing. From a time where I thought it had completely failed me, and now I think completely different of it.
Good stuff. Do feel free to comment and give us a thumbs up if you feel inclined. For more clips from the show and exclusive behind-the-scenes videos, click here. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button here to be automatically informed when new videos are available. Links to our other social media platforms can be found in the description. Thanks for watching.